Welcome to Trillium Dynamix. My name is Michelle. I am pleased to introduce our new division in our company. Proven delivery approach and methodology covering configuration and project management. This approach is tailored to your operations and overall business requirements. Your business runs on talent. Clients do business with you because of your people and how they apply their knowledge, skills, abilities and passion to solve critical business challenges. Your ability to hire, retain and deploy people is what sets you apart. Putting the right talent in the right place at the right cost is your competitive advantage. Simple enough, right? Not quite. Tight labour markets, a technology-driven workplace and workforce disruptions make it harder than ever to run a people-driven business. Your most valuable assets are human beings who feel more pressure than ever to adapt and perform. You may not have enough of them, and you may wonder whether they have the capabilities to succeed. Your employees may have become increasingly fickle because they're coveted by your competitors and can leave at a moment's notice. As if this weren't enough, you need to grow your business to succeed. No matter whether you grow organically or through acquisitions and partnerships, your success again depends on people. Who has what it takes to succeed? How can you help them develop? Who do you want on your team and in which roles? Leaders often make these decisions based on instinct, but you need to do more than guess. Managing your workforce is both an art and data-driven science. And we're here to help. We know your business because we're in your business. We help you unleash the potential of its most valuable asset, people, to deliver sustainable growth. We assess your current organization, including its structure, culture, team and individual performance, and benchmark against your strategy as well as best practice. Then we ensure you have the right people, in the right roles, with the right rewards and support to succeed. And we don't just tell you what you should do, we help you do it. Because strategy without execution is nothing more than wishful thinking, we help you attract, develop and retain best-in-class talent for your organization to serve your clients and outperform your competitors. We work with you to assess and address the full spectrum of your talent-related needs. Adjusting to constant disruptions in the market requires an agile pipeline of talent with the necessary skills and agility to serve your clients' ever-changing demands. Thanks for watching this presentation, and please stay tuned to know more about our organization.